Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to discuss the topic of, do you need to be good at drawing when it comes to being a graphic designer, brand designer, logo designer? The short answer is no, you don't need to be good at drawing. What you need to be good at is creative thinking. We assume we need to be very good at sketching in detail, when actually the best way to create more ideas is something I like to use called fast prototyping. And you can do this with an iPad pencil, or traditional pen and paper. And the idea is to be as scrappy and as quick as possible. We're looking for ways to get somebody's brand or business or logo or message over in the most creative way possible. We're in a fortunate position now with tools like Photoshop, Illustrator. They allow us to take basic ideas and create things that look professional, that are aesthetically pleasing, that speak to the audience. So being put off by, I'm not creative enough in terms of drawing and sketch work, that's no reason. Even if you can't draw, I can guarantee you can still be a graphic designer. You can still create phenomenal brands, because it's all about up here and about the way you think. You don't need to be Picasso to be a graphic designer. You just need to be able to learn how to be a creative thinker, come up with new ideas fast, effectively, the right type of ideas. Once that's down, this is where you need to start fast prototyping. Make the worst sketch work. And I've done some terrible sketch work, just simple squares, circles. As much as the idea is there and you've got a spark for it, then you can take that to the screen, get on Illustrator, Photoshop, and bring that idea to life. Hope you found this video useful. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Do you agree? Do you need to be good at drawing? I don't believe you do. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.